Case name Devesh and age is 54 years and today date is 12th of December 2025 and complain of high pitch voice even after puberty. I want speech sample before starting the voice therapy. Why you came here?
I am suffering from high pitch voice issue. I have taken prior treatment in other institutes, but it did not help much, so that's why I have come for treating my high pitch voice issue.
Post therapy video of Devesh Sharma, and today date is 19th of December 2025. So I want speech sample after the voice therapy. Why you came here and how do you feel now?
I came here for my high pitch voice issue, and after the therapy I really find it very nice. My pitch has reduced and I feel more, it has become, voice has become more, I would say,
masculine. Okay. Okay, tell your hobbies. I do jogging workouts outside, so I do enjoy that, jogging, running, and those activities. Outdoor activities, cycling is another thing I do enjoy. Okay, so can we use the video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yes, please, you can use.
Okay, so those who are watching this video, please write in the comment box what changes you are observing in his pre and post voice. If there is a positive change, like the video, share this video, so that people having similar problem can get motivation, they can reach to a right place. Thanks for watching.